Alright, up next, the Numark DM1090X Professional 19-inch mixer. Now you're probably wondering, what's up with it? Well, it's one of the cheaper mixers on the market today, 19-inch mixers. I bought it for 99 bucks, or 90 bucks off of eBay. You can probably get it for 70 or cheaper. Now at retail stores, like, if you were to buy it offline, you'd probably get it for about 100 bucks. It's a good mixer. As you can see, there's not much stuff on it. It's not complex. It doesn't have extra buttons that you don't need. As you can see, it's got your EQ, your equalizer. You got your mids, or lows, your mids, and your highs. So pretty much, it's a good one. You got your stereo and your mono on your master right there. Pretty good. Over here, you got your mix for your headphones. For beat mixing, it comes in 1/4 inch, or in my case I use a little headphone jack to make it mini jack. Anyways, and then you got the mix and the gain. Mix is for if you want to do program, it's what's playing out loud. Unlike Q, you play that, you have it where it's playing over here. That's how you beat mix, or whatever you want to do, make sure it's the right song. Pretty much the crossfader. Now, as you know, I need to buy a new one, and that's because I've had this mixer for about 5 years now, maybe 4, one or the other. It's a good mix. It's a good mixer. Crossfaders are hard to find. Numark sells them for about 20 bucks. I got mine offline for 25 bucks. Of course, I buy it. I call Numark or email them because I can never reach them on the phone. I email them, ask them where I can buy one, and then, of course, I wait for like 2 or 3 days. They don't get back to me, and then I buy one, and then the day after that they get back to me, oh, you could buy it for 5 bucks cheaper. Okay, whatever. Too late. Anyways, back to here. You got channel 1 and channel 2, which each have phono in for your turntables, or you can use line. Then you got your auxiliary channel, which has line A and B. So pretty much you get 6 channels, but you can fade between 2 unless you do, you know, your slow fade, whatever. So it's pretty good, and Q for all 3 channels. And then over here to the microphone. Pretty much you got the treble and the bass, high and low. Main, and then on the back there's a 1/4 inch and 1/4 inch thing input for it. And so pretty much this is the mixer. I have had it for, you know, as long as I've had this one, this Jim Sound CD player, which I bought offline for what? Online for 100 bucks. It's terrible. Doesn't work anymore. One CD player doesn't work. It doesn't matter. It takes up space, as you can see, and it works, or it doesn't work, but it looks good, I guess. So I've had this for about 3 years, I guess, and you know, I haven't had any problems. I just need a new crossfader, and you know, it works. I like it. It's black. I don't know what else to say. You got your bar graph, or whatever you want to call it, your meter for the left and the right. And yeah, I would say if you're on a pretty low budget, go for this mixer. It is a really good deal. I mean, you know, there's no effects, processors, and the probably can't see on the back, but on the back it's got 2 outputs, the master and the record, whatever you want to call it. They're both RCA. There's no 1/4 inch or XLR outputs. Everything is RCA inputs, but except for the microphone jack, which is 1/4 inch, which you got right there. Anyways, that's pretty much the Numark DM1090X. Really cheap mixer, and to tell you the truth, it's worth it, you know. Yep. The only thing, yeah, I would not like about it, there are 2 things I don't like about it, is you can't assign the channels. So if you have something over there, and it does not have a recessed back, which means the back does not come in. Pretty much the back, you know, you got your mixer A, and then you got mixer B. And pretty much the difference is recessed and non-recessed. Pretty much this is my mixer, and you got the outputs there. Yet the outputs are on the for the recessed over here. You got the mixer right there, and then you see the thing about is recessed. Sorry, I'm throat problem's kind of thirsty, I guess. And then you got your cables there. meaning you can put another component in there, like if you have a crossover, you know, just put it right in there, you're fine. Unlike this, you have to take up the rack space, can't use it and then for that. So, you know, non-recessed is like this. I found that most Numark products, most Numark mixers, or most or all of them, they're not recessed. But Denon and Behringer, other products, they're recessed, and I prefer recessed, but I just don't have the money to buy a new mixer yet. But hopefully after the few weddings, I will. Pretty much the review for the Numark DM1090X.